Renovated from top to bottom, this north-facing dual living home is the perfect blend of good design and simplicity. Tucked away from all the hustle and bustle of city living, yet only minutes away from all the attractions and amenities that make the Gold Coast so famous. I'm Mark Sable from McGrath Estate Agents, and I welcome you to 71 Baratta Street in Southport.